Voice is 50% of the believability of your avatar. People will forgive a slightly stiff face long before they accept a voice that doesn't match the persona. This lesson covers how to pick, or build, the right voice for your character. Voice strategy. Match the persona sheet. Pull out your persona sheet from Lesson 2.1. Your voice needs to match 3 things. Age. Younger voices are higher and faster. Older voices are deeper and slower. Voice archetype. Warm mentor needs softness. Direct expert needs crispness. Energetic friend needs enthusiasm. Niche audience. Finance audiences expect calm authority. Fitness audiences expect energy. Faith audiences expect warmth. HeyGen's built-in voice library. HeyGen ships with 300+ voices. They're competent but generic. Most successful operators don't use them long-term. For testing and quick videos, they're fine. To pick one, filter by language, gender, age, and emotion. Listen to at least 5 candidates for at least 30 seconds each before committing. Voices that sound great on a single sentence, often great on longer scripts. 11 Labs. The industry standard. 11 Labs produces the most natural AI voices available as of late 2025. Their library has 1,000+ pre-made voices, and you can clone any voice, including AI-generated ones, from a 1-minute audio sample. Why 11 Labs over HeyGen's voices? Better emotional range, more natural breath sounds and pacing. Voice cloning for true brand uniqueness. Multilingual versions of the same voice. The workflow. Generate audio in 11 Labs. Upload the audio file to HeyGen. HeyGen syncs the avatar's lips to that audio. You get 11 Labs voice quality with HeyGen's video animation. Pro tip. If your monthly content includes a lot of audio, 11 Labs is more cost-effective than HeyGen's pay-per-minute model for voice. The creator tier, $22 mo, gives you 100,000 characters month, about 200 short-form scripts. AI Voice Cloning Basics. Voice cloning lets you build a voice that exists nowhere else, a true asset only your brand owns. 3 ways to source a voice to clone. Your own voice. Record 1 to 3 minutes of clear speech. Upload to 11 Labs. You now have an AI version of your self-hired voice talent. Pay a voice actor on voices.com or Fiverr to record sample audio, with a contract granting you AI cloning rights, AI-generated voice samples. Generate a few minutes of synthetic audio in another tool, then clone it as if it were a person. Warning: don't clone someone's voice without explicit written permission. Cloning a celebrity, podcaster, or any real person without consent is a fast path to legal trouble and platform bans. Use voices you own or have clear rights to. Emotional speech patterns. Even the best AI voice sounds robotic if you don't engineer emotion into the script. 3 techniques. Punctuation as pacing. Commas slow the voice. Periods create harder pauses. Ellipses create dramatic ones. Capital letters for emphasis. This is actually important lands differently than this is actually important. Stage directions in brackets. 11 Labs supports prompts like whispers, laughs, excited, to shift tone mid-sentence. Voice pacing, default. AI, voice pacing is too fast for retention. Slow it down. Add an extra comma every 8 to 12 words. Break long sentences into 2 short ones. Insert ellipses before key emotional beats. Read every script aloud yourself before generating audio. If you stumble, the AI will too. Matching voice to niche finance. Calm, mid-pitch, slow pace, slightly older. Fitness. Energetic, high mid-pitch, faster pace. Beauty. Warm, smooth, slightly intimate. Faith. Motivation. Warm, gentle, deliberate pacing tech. AI. Crisp, clear, slightly faster, neutral accent. Real estate. Confident, mid-pitch, professional warmth. Action step: pick or clone your avatar's voice this week. Generate a 30-second test using your test script from Lesson 3.2. Save the audio file. You'll use it in the next lesson when we write your first real video script.